Loom Investment App for Teens. App pricing explained what you get for your money. Loom is a UK-based app designed specifically for teenagers who want to start investing. Many assume investing as a teen is complicated or expensive, but Loom makes it simple and affordable. The app is free to download and has no account maintenance fees. Teens can start with a custodial account supervised by a parent, allowing investments in ETFs, stocks and fractional shares. Loom provides educational content to help teens understand investing risk and financial responsibility. For premium features, Loom charges $3.99 per month. This unlocks advanced portfolio tracking, goal-setting tools, and access to themed portfolios like ISK or tech-focused ETFs. Most people overlook how much value these tools provide at such a low cost, offering professional-level guidance without expensive advisors. The surprising truth is that teens can start investing with as little as one, gradually learning while building a real portfolio. Automatic investment contributions, fractional shares, and educational resources make Loom an excellent platform for starting early. In conclusion, Loom Investment App for Teens combines affordability, education, and practical investing tools. Understanding the free and premium options helps parents and teens make the most of the platform while fostering long-term financial literacy.